Hello everybody, welcome to jurycentral.com online classes for law exams. So today I will be dealing with you the previous year solved question paper of Rajasthan Judicial Services exam of the year 2016. So today I am going to deal with you a total number of 100 questions and the total time is 2 hours. And also let me tell you, there is no negative marking and each question shall carry 1 mark. And also let me tell you, like this year also there will be no negative marking. So this is the best part of this exam. So let us start with our first question. Question number 1, an arbitration agreement providing for arbitration by 4 arbitrators is under the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996 to be construed as an agreement for arbitration by option number 1 sole arbitrator, and this provision has been given under section 10 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996, which says that the number of arbitrators should be in odd number, not in even number. And in case if there are even number of arbitrators, then it will be considered as a sole arbitrator. Question number 2, specific performance of any contract may be ordered where this is again given under section 10 of Specific Relief Act, and the correct option is option number 1. There exists no standard for ascertaining actual damage by non-performance of the act to be done. Question number 3, a partnership firm is none of the above because partnership firm is not a distinct legal entity from its partners, not an independent juristic person, and not an agent of its partners. Partners are the agent of the partnership firm, but not the partnership firm is an agent of its partners. Question number 4, in view of section 105 of the Transfer of Property Act 1882, a lease of immovable property is a transfer of under section 105 lease is defined. So the correct option is option number 1, a right to enjoy such property in consideration of a price paid or promised, or of money, a share of crops, service, or any other thing of value. So this is the definition of lease given under section 105. Question number 5, which article of the Constitution of India provides that the law declared by the Supreme Court of India shall be binding on all courts within the territory of India? So this has been given under Article 141. Question number 6, a lease of immovable property for any term exceeding 1 year can be made only by a registered instrument, option number 1. Question number 7, provisions of section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 for extension of prescribed period are applicable to, so this none of the above because section 5 of the Limitation Act is not applicable to a suit or an application for execution of decree. Question number 8, a party may be defeated due to, option number 3, non-joinder of necessary party. This has been given under Order 1, Rule 9. Order 1 deals with parties of a suit. Question number 9, communication of acceptance is complete as against the proposer. This option number 2, when it is put in the course of transmission to the proposer, has to be out of power of the acceptor. This has been given under section 4 of the Indian Contract Act. Then question number 10, the commissioner appointed under provisions of Order 18 of the Code of Civil Procedure for the purposes of recording of evidence cannot, option number 2, decide objections raised during the recording of evidence. This is not the power given to the commissioner. Question number 11, premises under the Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001 doesn't include, this option number 2, accommodation in a hostel. Question number 12, dominant heritages under the Easements Act 1882 means option number 1, the land for the beneficial enjoyment of which the right exists. Question number 13, Lok Adalats are organized under which legislation? This option number 2, the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987. Question number 14, the Indian Evidence Act 1872 applies to, this option number 1, this applies to all judicial proceedings in or before any court. Question number 15, the Hindu Marriage Act is not applicable to, this option number 4, the members of any scheduled tribe. Question number 16, the special provisions as to payment of compensation or structured formula basis under the Motor Vehicles Act 1988 are contained in option number 3, section 163A. Question number 17, the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 provides for making which of the following presumptions as special rule of evidence until the contrary is proved. So this is actually given under option number, the correct option is option number 3, that a lost promissory note, bill of exchange or check was duly stamped. Question number 18. A document registered under the Registration Act 1908 operates. It operates option number 2 from the time from which it would have commenced to operate if no registration was required. Question number 19. Under the Rajasthan Tenancy Act 1955, the sale, gift or bequest of khatedari interest by a member of the scheduled caste in favor of a person who is not a member of the scheduled caste shall be, so such transfer shall be deemed as option number 2 void. Question number 20. Appeals from original decrees under the Rajasthan Tenancy Act 1955 is provided under option number 1, section 223. So this act is very important from this examination point of view. Rajasthan Tenancy Act 1955. I would suggest all of you to go through this act very well. Question number 21. If an instrument comes within several descriptions in the schedule to the Rajasthan Stamp Act 1998 where the duties chargeable are different, stamp duty is chargeable, option number 2 with the highest of such duties. Question number 22. An instrument chargeable with the duty under the Rajasthan Stamp Act 1998 unless such instrument is duly stamped. So such instrument cannot be admitted in evidence for any purpose, option number 1. Question number 23. Under the provisions of Rajasthan Agricultural Credit Operations Removal of Difficulties Act 1974, the prescribed authority on the application of a bank cannot make an order against option number 4, tenant of the agriculturist. Question number 24. In a suit for partition and separate possession of joint family property or property owned jointly or in common by a plaintiff who is in joint possession of such property, if the value of plaintiff's share exceeds rupees 10,000, the court fees payable in Rajasthan would be, so that would be actually option number 4, computed on market value of the entire property. So he needs to pay the court fees according to the market value of the entire property if his shares exceeds rupees 10,000 in that property. Question number 25. Which provision of the Rajasthan Court Fees and Suits Valuation Act 1961 provide for refund of full amount of fee where a suit is settled by any one of the modes provided under section 89 of this Code of Civil Procedure? So very important question. This is option number 3, section 65B. Question number 26. Upon the provisions of Hindu Succession Act 1956, any property inherited by a female Hindu from her father or mother shall devolve in absence of any son or daughter of the deceased, including the children of any predeceased son or daughter. So the correct option would be option number 2, upon the heads of deceased female Hindu's father. So in case if that female Hindu who acquires the property from her father's side dies in estate, so in that case her share will be devolved on the heirs of her father. Question number 27. In which of the following cases has the Supreme Court ruled that under the Muslim law a gift of immovable property fulfilling essential ingredients of a valid gift, that is declaration of gift by donor, acceptance of gift by donee and delivery of possession even if reduced into writing, doesn't require compulsory registration? This is option number 1. Hafiza Bibi and others versus Sheikh Farid and others. Very important case law, and this has been decided in the year 2011. Question number 28. Part 9B of the Constitution of India containing articles 243ZH to 243ZT pertaining to the cooperative society was inserted by. So this this part has been recently struck down by the Supreme Court, and the correct option is option number 2, Constitution 97th Amendment Act 2011, which deals with cooperative societies. 29. Whether a valid adoption under the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 1956 can be cancelled by the adoptive father or mother or any other person, the correct option is option number 2, no. 30. Under which provision of the Rajasthan Land Revenue Act 1956 power to stay execution of orders of lower court has been conferred on the appellate authority? Again very important one. This is option number 3, section 81. Question number 31. Can a civil court adjudicate in a civil suit upon any question relating to registration of a person in an electoral roll for a constituency under the Rajasthan Panchayati Raj Act 1994. No, this is not true. Option number 2. Question number 32. Which provision of the Rajasthan Municipalities Act 2009 deals with suits against municipality or its officer? This option number 2, section 304. Question number 33. Which of the following statutes regulates the amount of legal practitioner's fee to be taxed as cost under a decree or order of a court? So this has been given under General Rule Civil 1986 and this is applicable in the state of Rajasthan. Question number 34. In the event of death of the person referred to in subclause 1 of Section 2I of the Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001, in case of premises let out for residential purposes, who of the following ordinarily residing with the tenant as member of his family up to his death shall be included within the definition of tenant? So by virtue of this section 2I, the correct option would be option number 3, surviving spouse, son, daughter, mother and father. So this will be the tenant. This will be known as a tenant after the death of the original tenant. Question number 35. The authority competent under the Rajasthan Tenancy Act 1955 to decide a dispute about ownership of a tree and a right to remove it is. So this power is actually lies with option number 3, Tehsildar. Question number 36. Which of the following statements is not correct? This option number 2. In an act done by several persons, the act being criminal only by reason of its being done with criminal knowledge or intention, all persons joining in the act irrespective of such knowledge or intention will be held liable for that act. So this is actually not true because intention and criminal knowledge is very much required, and this statement has been taken from section 34, which is not true. Question number 37. A public servant having charge of translation of a document makes an incorrect translation of a document with an intent to cause injury to B. The offence committed by A is, so this is actually option number 3, non-compoundable. Question number 38. A and B orally agree to sell an estate. A dishonestly induces B to make advance payment of rupees 5 lakhs and make final payment at the execution of conveyance. B pays advance amount later on at the request of B to execute the conveyance. A denies the agreement as well as the receipt of any amount. What offence has been committed by A? This option number 3, offence under section 320 of Indian Penal Code. Question number 39. A and B are good friends. A proposes B for marriage but she denies. A, in suspicion of B's love affair with somebody else, monitors the use of mobile phone and email account by B. What offence has been committed by A? This option number 3, stalking, which has been defined under section 354D of Indian Penal Code. 40. Which of the following case upheld the constitutionality of section 499 and 500 of the Indian Penal Code? This 2 section deals with defamation, and this has been sections has been held constitutionally valid in the case of Subramaniam Swamy versus Union of India, decided in the year 2016. Question number 41. The court, after the commencement of prosecution evidence, allows the assistant public prosecutor to withdraw the prosecution. The accused shall be, in that case, he shall be acquitted. Option number 3, given under section 321 of CRPC. 42. So there are 2 statements are given and you have to choose the correct statement. So the correct statement is option number A. A bail granted under section 167 clause 2 of the CRPC has same incidence as bail granted under chapter 33 of the code. Then question number 43. Any court may take cognizance of an offence after expiry of the period of limitation if it is satisfied on the facts and circumstances of the case that option number 2, it is necessary so to do in the interest of justice. Question number 44. On a declaration of forfeiture of a book by the state government under section 95 of CRPC, the application to set aside lies to the High Court. So on the forfeiture of a book or any publication, section 95 dealt with section 96 empowers the agreed person to make an application to set aside the order of such forfeiture by making an application before the High Court. Question number 45. Which of the following is correct? A person arrested by police officer without warrant shall be taken before a magistrate without unnecessary delay. This is actually true. Question number 46. The effect of error in stating the required particulars in the charge shall be regarded material under which of the following circumstances? When the accused is misled by the error, this has been given under section 215 of CRPC. Question number 47. Under section 428 of the criminal procedure, which of the following period of detention undergone by the accused shall be set off against the sentence of imprisonment in a case? So this will be option number 2, period of detention undergone during investigation and trial of a case. Question number 48. During the course of trial of a murder case, which of the following may be proved? Option number 2, recovery of the weapon of offence on the basis of statement made by accused during investigation of another case. Question number 49. Which of the following statement is not correct? This option number 3. When the relatives of the declarant are present during dying declaration, the dying declaration would not be relevant. Question number 50. The report of a medical officer stating the injuries of the victim is option number 2, relevant and admissible in evidence. Question number 51. Under which of the following conditions a leading question may be asked in examination in chief with the permission of the court? This is option number 2, when the matter in question is sufficiently proved. Question number 52. So again you have to choose the correct statement. The correct statement is option number A. The presumption under section 113A of the Indian Evidence Act is not attracted if the marriage took place more than 7 years prior to the suicide of a woman, even if the cruelty is established by prosecution. So 113A deals with a presumption of suicide by a married woman. Then question number 53. During examination chief of a case under section 325 of Indian Penal Code, the victim denies the prosecution case. Under what provision of Indian Evidence Act the victim may be asked leading questions by the public prosecutor? This is option number 3, section 154, which deals with hostile witness. Question number 54. Choose the correct statement. So the correct statement is option number B. During formation of a contract, the communication of proposals is expressed through electronic record. In such a case, that electronic record solely doesn't render the contract enforceable. This is based on section 3 of the Information Technology Act, which deals with electronic contracts. Question number 55. The offence of theft of electricity is committed if option number 1, the meter is dishonestly tampered with. Question number 56. A material alteration in a negotiable instrument without the consent of the endorser renders a negotiable instrument as option number 2, void. Question number 57. So again you have to choose the correct statement. The correct statement is option number 4, DNA. Let us read D. The amount of compensation imposed on the offender under section 5 of the Probation of Offenders Act 1958 can be recovered as fine in accordance with the provisions of the CRPC. This is true. And A. On failure to observe any conditions of the bond entered under section 4 of the Probation of Offenders Act 1958, the court is at discretion to sentence the offender for the original offence or to impose a penalty up to ₹50 in case of first failure. Then question number 58. Which of the following have powers to frame rules under section 17 of the Probation of Offenders Act 1958? This is option number 1, state government with the approval of central government. Question number 59. Who of the following on acting in good faith are protected from prosecution under section 84 of the Information Technology Act 2000? The correct option is option number 2, the controller. 60. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 extends to whole of India except option number 1, state of Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 61. A magistrate directing the matter to be referred for counselling under section 14 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005 will fix the next date for hearing, that is within a period not exceeding 2 months. Question number 62. An appeal to High Court against the judgment of Special Court established under the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Act 1989 would be preferred within a period of 90 days. Question number 63. In the prosecution for an offence of intentionally insulting the member of Scheduled Caste at a marriage function, it is proved that the victim is the neighbor of accused and they had good relation for past 10 years. Then what shall the court presume? This is option number 2, that the accused was aware of victim's caste. and this has been given under section 18 of the SC/ST Act. Question number 64. A blood stained shirt is produced in defense evidence by the accused. Which of the following exhibit will be marked on it? This is option number 4, exhibit article A1. 65. In a criminal case, the accused has been acquitted under section 380 of the Indian Penal Code. The papers of the file relating to the identification of stolen property can be destroyed. So it can be destroyed on expiration of 50 days record from 31st December next ensuing after the order disposing of the case. Section 380 deals with theft in a dwelling house. Question number 66. The Chief Judicial Magistrate is duty bound to inspect the court of his subordinate judicial magistrate on which of the following basis? This is option number 3, half yearly. And this is based on a law which is enforceable in Rajasthan. Question number which is known as general clauses. Question number 67. Under section 2+12 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection of Children Act 2015, child means a person who has not completed option number 2, 18 years of age. Question number 68. Who shall review the pendency of cases of Juvenile Justice Board on quarterly basis? This is option number 1, Chief Judicial Magistrate. Question number 69. Then again you have to choose the correct statement. The correct statement is option number A and C. A judicial magistrate first class can authorize the detention in custody of a person accused under an offence triable by special code established under the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 for a period not exceeding 15 days. And C, the definition of use under section 28A of the Narcotics, Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 excludes personal consumption of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances. Question number 70. Which of the following police officers is empowered to record statement of a child under section 24 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012? This is option number 3. Women police officer not below the rank of sub-inspector. Question number, and now we will be dealing with language based questions 71 to 73. There are questions relating to fill in the blanks and you have to choose the correct verb which can fill the blank space. Look, that man is option number 4, taking a photo of you. 72. Someone has stolen my books. Option number 2. Slow and steady wins the race. Option number 3. Choose the correct passive voice of the given sentence. Question number 74 and 75. 74. The child broke the mirror. The correct passive voice would be the mirror was broken by the child. I hope you understood because the sentence is in simple past. So will you use was plus verb, the third form of verb. Question number 75. Send these letters by registered post. Then the correct passive voice would be let these letters be sent by registered post. Fill in the blanks with the grammatically correct and meaningful option from those given in each question. 76 to 69. 76. These small shopkeepers are finding life increasingly difficult. Question number 77. Little is known about the side effects of this drug. 78. He is over 80 but can still read without glasses. We must pay income tax without fail. Choose the correct option of the following as directed against each word and phrase. Illegible. Illegible, you have to choose the correct opposite word, that means easy. Liability, the opposite word is assets. 82. A bone of contention, its meaning is subject of dispute. Option number 3. 83. The accused was hiding important evidence. Change to negative. The accused was not hiding important evidence. Very easy one. Then again you have to choose the correct word which can fill in the blank space. Tigers won't attack unless they are hungry. Option number 3. Trust in God and do the right. Option number 2. Now we will be dealing with questions relating to Hindi language. उद्धार की संधि है उद्धार. ऑप्शन नंबर 3. कामचोर में समास है. ऑप्शन नंबर 1 अपादान तत्पुरुष. 88. निम्नांकित में से पुत्री शब्द का पर्यायवाची नहीं है. ऑप्शन नंबर 4 अबला. सृजन शब्द का विलोम है. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 संहार. 90. निम्नलिखित में से शुद्ध शब्द है. ऑप्शन नंबर 1 कवयित्री. 91 इनमें से निषेध वाचक वाक्य क्या है? दैट मीन्स कि विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस? ऑप्शन नंबर 4, विद्यार्थी कक्षा में उपस्थित नहीं था। 92 निम्नांकित में से शुद्ध वाक्य है? देन दिस ऑप्शन नंबर 1, तुलसीदास ने रामचरितमानस का प्रणयन किया। क्वेश्चन नंबर 93, उंगलियों पर नचाना मुहावरे का अर्थबोधक वाक्य है, इसका मतलब है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, शीला अपने पति से अपनी इच्छा के अनुसार काम करवाती है। बहुत ही अच्छा एग्जाम्पल दिया है इसमें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 94, मुट्ठी गरम करना मुहावरे का अर्थ है ऑप्शन नंबर 1, रिश्वत देना। 95, किस युग में विलोमता नहीं है? दिस ऑप्शन नंबर 4, दैट मीन्स among the following, which of the following pair of words is not opposite to each other? This option number 4, हर्ष विस्मय। 96, किस शब्द की वर्तनी दोषपूर्ण है? ऑप्शन नंबर 2, संग्रहित। क्वेश्चन नंबर 97, सतजन की संधि है, तो सतजन मिला के बनता है सज्जन। 98, जानने की इच्छा रखने वाले के लिए उपयुक्त शब्द है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, जिज्ञासु। 99, भीतर से शत्रुता और ऊपर से मीठी बात करने के भाव को व्यक्त करने वाली लोकोक्ति है ऑप्शन नंबर 2, मुंह में राम बगल में छुरी। 100, जो कि लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, जिन ढूंढा तिन पाइया गहरे पानी पैठ, लोकोक्ति का अर्थ है, इसका मतलब है ऑप्शन नंबर 3, जो प्रयत्न करते हैं वे परिश्रम का कुछ ना कुछ फल अवश्य प्राप्त करते हैं। सो विद दिस क्वेश्चन we have done this session for today, and I hope you all have liked it. So those of you who have missed the latest solve paper of 2019, 18 and 17, I would share the link in the description box below. It's already there on my channel. You can find the same in the playlist section of my channel, and apart from that I would also share the link in the description box below. From there you can find the same and can study the same. So with this note, I am signing off. Have a great day.